Welcome to the Rayline 3D series wall printer teaching rooms. Today, we will show you how to start printing with a 3D series printer. First, we choose a photo we like, import images into PS. Set the image format to CMYK format, and set the height of the image. Set the image size, enter the width, and the height will automatically apply. And click OK. Select all, then create a new spot color channel and set the density to 100%. Then save the image in TIFF format. Then open our software UltraPrint and open the TIFF format file you just saved. Confirm the printing parameters. We will set all parameters before shipping. Save the print file. Open the machine's printing software. Select the picture you just saved. Confirm that all parameters are correct, and then start printing.